for your first day of school tomorrow.
But we're not. Sleepy.
With some good rest, you'll wake up ready for your big day.
Okay.
We all will. With this new Wake Up Wonder alarm clock.
Fancy! Does it play music?
It plays all kinds of wake-up sounds. And look! It even opens up the window shades.
Wonderful.
Shall we wake up to Morning Meadow? Sunrise Symphony? How about Bedbug Boogie?
Oh, just something simple, please.
I'll stick to the basic beat.
Sweet dreams!
Good night, girls.
Nighty-night!
Good night, Daisy.
Good night.
Jump up, get out of bed, get that pillow out your head.
Ooh, they're still asleep.
I reset it.
Good. Nighty-night.
Do you mind? I need my beauty sleep.
I hope it works this time.
I finally figured it out. Good night.
Good night. Huh? Oh! Oh, Daisy, quick! Help me shut the shades!
What's going on now?
Stop that clock before the twins wake up! Got it. Phew.
There.
Melody, wake up! Time for school! I slept good. Me too. And Minnie, Daisy, rise and shine. Daisy, your alarm clock worked like a dream.
More like a nightmare.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.